Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11412 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2015 Volkswagen GTI. To begin, we'll be lowering the exhaust. Support the exhaust system with a ratchet strap or wire hanger to prevent damage. To lower the exhaust system, remove the two bolts holding the exhaust in place. Next, fish wire the rearmost attachment point. To do this, insert the coiled end of the fish wire into the attachment hole in the frame and out through the access hole. Place a square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert it into the frame of the vehicle. Thread a carriage bolt onto the coiled end of the fish wire and place it into the frame as well. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, bringing the carriage bolt through the spacer and down and out through the attachment point. Reverse fish wire the forwardmost attachment point. To do this, thread a carriage bolt onto the coiled end of the fish wire and insert it into the frame. Place a square hole spacer onto the opposite end of the fish wire and insert that into the frame as well. Pull on the end of the fish wire, bringing the carriage bolt through the spacer and down and out through the frame. Repeat the fish wiring process on the other side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position. Before raising the hitch into position, feed the fish wires through the mounting holes in the attachment points of the hitch. Raise the hitch into position over the hardware. Remove the fish wires from the hardware and secure the hitch with the provided hex flange nuts. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the exhaust and remove the exhaust support. This completes the installation of the CURT 11412 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2015 Volkswagen GTI. Check out all of our stylish CURT Euro mounts and install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness next for your ride. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.